Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bathtub cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Scrubbing Bubbles Easy Clean Foaming Bleach-Free Bathroom All-Purpose Cleaner. Scrubbing Bubbles Easy Clean Multi-Purpose Foam lives up to the name with a formula that quickly cuts through grime. Out of all the cleaners I tried, this is the product I've kept coming back to for my cleaning routine. The cleaner immediately foams after spraying, working to break down dirt and other messes. I let it sit for about a minute before wiping it away, and once I did, I was impressed. It excelled at cleaning soap scum, dirt, hard water, and mildew stains. It took one wipe with a microfiber cloth for the surface to go from visibly dirty to sparkling clean. Scrubbing Bubbles is sold in a traditional trigger spray bottle as well as an aerosol can. It applied evenly with no drips, though it did have a noticeable bathroom cleaner scent that remained in the room for a few hours. If you're trying to make bathtub cleaning as easy as possible though, I definitely recommend it. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Stardrops, the Pink Stuff Miracle Bathroom Foam Cleaner. I was so torn between picking Scrubbing Bubbles and the Pink Stuff that I had to feature the Pink Stuff in our runner-up category. Like Scrubbing Bubbles, it cleaned soap scum and dirt impressively, leaving bright and tidy surfaces in its wake. The Pink Stuff cleaner had significant issues with dripping and running after application, making it especially difficult to clean vertical surfaces like shower walls. The spray didn't result in an even application, making its ease of use a little difficult, though it didn't result in streaks on the shower walls. At number 3, we have the MEYER'S Clean Day Vinegar Gel Cleaning Spray. Most traditional bathroom cleaners use harsh chemicals for their sparkling clean, resulting in heavy fumes that may agitate people with allergies or not be safe to use around pets or kids. For those looking for a gentler, more natural clean, Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Vinegar Cleaning Gel is formulated with vinegar, plant-based cleaning ingredients, and essential oils. The natural formula is much thicker than a typical bathroom cleaner with the consistency of gel. While testing, this texture actually helped the cleaner cut through grease, dirt, and hard water, resulting in an all-around deeper clean. It even whitened the grout around my tile, something that almost all other cleaners struggled to do. At number 2, we have the ZEP Foaming Shower, Tub, and Tile Cleaner. The best bathtub cleaner for tile takes care of residue on your shower walls. Since water may not be directly touching your shower walls as often as your actual tub, it's important to give them extra attention during your cleaning process. ZEP Foaming Shower, Tub, and Tile Cleaner was especially impressive on tile. With a little scrubbing, it cleared away residue with ease. The tile was also noticeably shiny after using ZEP, contributing to an all-around clean feeling. It's always nice to see the results after cleaning. There's no heavy scent associated with ZEP, but the spray did drip upon application. It also didn't perform as well on the bathtub itself, but it was truly impressive when cleaning bathroom tile. And finally, at number 1, we have the Clorox Cleanup Multi-Surface Cleaner. There were a few times during testing where the clean was so good I actually said, "Oh wow." Using Clorox Multi-Surface Cleaner plus bleach was one of those times, removing dirt and soap to reveal sparkling clean surfaces beneath. If you're looking for a truly heavy-duty clean in a very dirty shower or bathtub, this is the cleaner I recommend. It cleans soap scum, dirt, and hard water like it was nothing, blasting through all residue. I let it sit for a few seconds after spraying, then wiped it off, requiring no scrubbing. Plus it's made with bleach, so it can help whiten your shower and remove mold and mildew stains too. Like other bleach cleaners, it has a heavy scent and cannot be used in tandem with other cleaners, since this can result in toxic fumes. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.